Hello YouTube, this is your boy Richboywayne, aka the Specialist of Opportunity. And I'm outside cruising through some neighborhoods looking at some houses. Today, it's beautiful here in Nashville. And today, we're going to be talking about what's on the tip of everybody's tongues. And you already probably know what I'm talking about. That is the coronavirus. And the question that everybody has is this going to have an effect on the real estate market? Now, before I begin this video, if you like my content, well, you already know what to do. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Because I'm telling you, man, we're taking off here in 2020. We're taking off. But anyway, moving on. So, do I think that it'll have an effect on the real estate market as a whole? The answer to that question is yes, it will have an effect. Will it have a big effect? Probably not. It's not going to be the big correction that everybody's looking for and that everybody wants, because if you look at the past and look at all the other viruses like the Zika virus and the Ebola, it does have an effect. There are a lot of Chinese investors in the markets, especially here in my city, especially in Nashville. But as a whole, I don't think that it's going to be the big, huge correction that everybody's looking for, and that a lot of investors are going to be disappointed, okay? So if you're on the sidelines and you're wondering, should you get involved in real estate, you know, I'm going to wait till the pandemic clears out and then get it. You probably don't want to do that, okay? You probably need to go ahead and jump right in right now, actually, because it's going to heat up. Hopefully that answers the question that a lot of people have, and allow me to explain why. Okay, let me go back a little bit, okay? Let me go back. It's not going to have a huge effect because it just isn't. You know, there's not that much foreign investors coming into the market anymore. That was a big, huge thing back in 2010. Not so much so anymore. They're already here. They've already bought what they're going to buy. I don't know if you guys have this in your market, but in my market, we have reports that we can look at. It's called Chandler reports for Tennessee. So if you're in Memphis or you're investing in Nashville or somewhere else in Tennessee, you can go to Chandler reports and look at the reports. I looked at the reports for 2019, the fourth quarter. The ones for this quarter isn't out quite yet. And I'm very interested to see what it is, but I already know what it's going to be. It's not going to be great because it was already tapering off in December. But then again, it always tapers off in December because most people don't buy properties in December. They just don't. People are on vacation and they got winter break and they're focusing on other things besides buying a house. However, in the springtime and in the summer, it usually picks back up. So I don't think it's going to have a big effect. Everything that I've looked at, all the stats and statistics that I've checked, don't really indicate that. But I could be wrong. Maybe it's going to tank the market and we'll find some great deals. I know a lot of people are sitting there waiting. Oh, man, I can't wait for this recession to happen, man. I want to get some great deals. I think you're going to be sadly disappointed in the deals that you're going to find. If that's what you're waiting on, you're going to be sadly disappointed, in my opinion. But, you know, anything can happen. So, if you want to see what's happening on my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.